Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you some techniques of drawing human faces in different angles. It includes a number of typical ones such as looking up and down, turning left and right. My name is Elaine. I'm an illustrator and artist, and I do teach drawing and illustration in some tertiary institutes, and I'll use some materials into the videos. You can also follow my IG. In order to draw a frontal face, we start with a circle and a horizontal and vertical lines. I'll draw the eyebrow first, then the eyes, nose, and the mouth. I usually draw them in positions I prefer, or you can adjust as people are unique, some with smaller or bigger eyes. And the position of the nose and mouth may also be different. If you're new to drawing faces, you can just make it simple. In order to draw the outline of the face, you can start next to the eye area. The jaw will go beyond the circle, some with wider face or round one. Right below the horizontal line, you can start drawing the ears. And I would also like to draw the eyeballs and the hair as well to make it nice looking. This is only a very quick demo. If you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see the full-length one with detailed elaboration, please go to my Patreon. The link will be in the description. Thank you so much.